All right, we are live. It is Monday. It is September 22nd. Market opens in about 10 minutes, give or take. Okay, let's see. So currently we're sitting at around, oh, not yet. Give me a second. Second. Yeah, right now we're currently sitting at 50 50.3. Took a really good trade on Friday. We had a really good setup overall. Um, took a good trade. Really good RR as well. And yeah, I think we've been doing so far really good. I think I've been definitely getting the gist of things, um, all things considered. And yeah, so let's see. So we have no news Monday, nada today. Just looking at the week real quick. Yes, wait, this week. How do I right there? Hold up. No, no. We have PMI tomorrow, and we have a Powell speech tomorrow as well. So that's definitely something to look forward to tomorrow for sure. Um, and then you have final GDP, Q&Q, and unemployment claims on Thursday, probably good too as well. And core PCE price index, maybe okay, but definitely looking for tomorrow. And yes, okay. So let's see. Tuku. So on MNQ, we have this daily fair value gap we may want to come back to fill in. Looking at the 4 hour right now, we took out all-time highs already, and we came up higher. We took out this high. I would like to see us retrace back down, most likely. Um, yeah, possibly fill in this gap maybe today. Yeah, that could be a possibility. Um, Honestly, there's not much going on. I can't. It's hard to tell what my bias is. I mean, we already all-time highs. I don't really see a reason for us to want to go higher, to be honest. So I would want to see us retrace back down. In this case, perhaps take out these lows here, and MNQ would come back to this fair value gap, and perhaps take out these lows as well. Fill this in, untap fair value gap. To go to some confirmation we do have, we're bearish. Would be So we came up, took a high, created a lower high. We disrespected this 1 hour gap right here. This 1 hour gap got disrespected. We pushed it up. We disrespected, came back down. We also have this other 1 hour gap right here that we disrespected as well. Push back into it. We did disrespect it, technically speaking, but I do think we're still respecting bearish order flow, I want to say. Um, I think coming back to this gap wouldn't be insane, but we might want to push it up higher before we go lower. That's also a possibility. Um, yeah. Okay. So bias, I'm gonna say bearish. We could be going up though, so it's really a matter of coming back down because we do seem to have built up liquidities in here, and even here. So we might want to come back to take these out. Um, and we do actually have a lot of liquidity built up here. This is definitely built up liquidity staying at these levels. But before we come take it out, I want to say we want to come back down here and take these out first. That's what I'm aiming for to say. Um, yeah, okay, so gonna mark out New York Open right here and right here. Nope. Okay, so we have according to this, London highs would be here, London lows here, Asia lows here. So we would have Asia highs up here, and I guess London high up here, but it does look kind of iffy. Once again, Asia high here. Asia low got taken out. We have London low sitting at this level right here. So London low in confluence with these liquidity, this low resistance liquidity, something I think we're going to be aiming for today. I want to say possibly. Uh, yeah. we could maybe I think I want to see us maybe take out internal highs here. Take out these highs. What I think I want to see, and something I've been looking into a little bit more lately, is fractability. So what I've been looking at is I can see that in this 1 hour time frame we have, I mean the 15-minute time frame, we have built up liquidity sitting here. As we have some built up liquidity sitting here as well. I think before we take these out, we want to come down a little lower and take out some liquidity before we push up. In this case, I'm hoping that we want to take out liquidity sitting here at market open, and hopefully push down. Maybe aim for this or this bottom here. Perhaps even aim to fill the gap. Um, I don't have the clearest image of what we're aiming for, but I'm gonna just have this here. This is still possible liquidity pools here. This case would be here, and then here. I don't think we want to fill in the gap today, honestly. But it's just something to look into toward the week. So we just took out these highs up here. Um, I think maybe I want to see us take out this high up here as well. But we do seem to have a small SMT. We took out highs here in MNQ, but we didn't take out this high in MES. Perhaps we want to once again, like I said, push lower. Hopefully take out these liquidity pools in here. I think that's definitely something I'll be looking for today. Like I said, we have already taken out highs, and we have no reason to go up once again. And once again, I think I want to see us push down. So like I said, my overall bias is bearish. Um, and yeah. Okay. Wow. Free market has already taken out this high once again, which seems to be pushing a little higher in MNQ. MES still a little bit quote unquote behind. So uh, although this could be a protected low, maybe. Um, we came down. We respected this 15-minute gap here. Um, we held up this 15-minute gap here, and then we pushed up. I think what I want to see us maybe do is come take out this liquidity sitting here, and then push higher as well, perhaps before coming back down. But we'll see how that goes. Ugh. Wow. Market opens in about a minute and a half. See what happens. See what happens. See what happens. You know what I might want to see? I might want to see us take out this high. That way we have. Okay, wait. That way we have an SMT indicating once again um bearish movement. Huh. I do think we ultimately want to come take out these highs up here, but before that, I do think we want to come down here first, at least to London lows, take out this internal liquidity to then push up. Is what I am thinking. Okay, market open. We took out once again these highs up here. We took out this high here in MNQ, and we did not in MES. We took out this liquidity here. This one is still intact over here in MES. Looks like still we're sweeping. Huh. We're tapping into this 1 hour FEG here. I think what I want to see is maybe us take out this high and maybe this high while MNQ taps into this 1 hour here and potentially rejects off of it and continue to the downside. Huh. Looks like we took out the high, or is that an equal high? Those are equal highs up here so far. We took it out. We took out this high. Well, huh. Mm. Wow. Form this FEG in a 3 minute. Um, After taking out liquidity sitting at this level. If we disrespect this, that could be an early sign of us trying to push down to take out liquidity sitting at these levels right here. Similarly here, we have this 3 minute right here as well. If that gets disrespected, once again, I want to see us push down probably to these lower levels. Take a If this does hold though, possible early signs of us pushing up because we could still want to come take out this liquidity up here. Um, Huh. Huh. I also want to fill in this gap here in the S in 1 hour. Huh. This 3 minute seems to be holding so far. So MES, we came back up here, took out this high, and now are pushing down as we speak. I mean, we didn't take out the high in MES. We did take out this high in MAQ, and now seem to maybe possibly be rejecting back down, having created another like low resistance liquidity right here, possibly. I'm thinking we might want to come down, take out these right here. We have this 5 minute gap here as well. 5 minute gap here. And then no gap in MES, but we still have this 3 minute. If this 3 minutes gets respected here, I'm thinking possibly come back down towards this level since we already took out liquidity sitting at these levels up here. And here we filled in this 1 hour gap as well. So pushing down wouldn't be crazy and aim for this low risk liquidity sitting down here. So this 3 minute seems to have held up so far, at least. Still don't see any potential reversal signs just yet. We tapped into this 1 hour gap here in MNQ, and we took out liquidity sitting at these internal highs up here in MES. We still have no confirmation for reversal. We already technically swept. That's what I'm basing it off of. We swept, and I want to see us just push back down. We could still gun for these highs, but I don't really want to do that either. Yeah. Ugh. We could still very well push up higher. What I'm thinking we might want to do is tap into this high up here, into Asia high in MNQ maybe, and then we would be tapping into this FEG here in MES, and then from there see us push back down. What I'm looking for is a some sort of reversal signs. We do seem to be creating lower highs right now. Um, but still no signs, no particular signs of reversal yet. So I think the best sign would be maybe in this 3 minutes push disrespect this FEG. If we could close below this low, even better. Indicate that we probably want to push back down to take out um these slows down here. In this 15 minute, we respected this 15 minute. No, not this one. Sorry. In this 15 minutes, we technically still held up this. We're still holding this 1 hour FEG here and this one as well. Sizable twice, which is kind of crazy, but yeah, we're holding that one as well. And in the 15 minute, we just came up here, we swept. Um, yeah. Huh. Are these equal? Yep, they're equal highs. These equal right here. Are actually. Huh. So we came up here and created an equal high with this in MES, and then we didn't tap up here at all in MNQ. Let's get rid of this for now, since I don't think I'm gonna need it anytime soon. What I'm thinking right now is what we're gonna do. We tap into this FEG here. In this case, would be the 1 hour here in MES, and I think I want to see us take out this high up here in MNQ, possibly. We did take out this high here. Yeah, so we tap into this level here in MNQ, and we tap into this FEG here in MES. We could still push higher, but I don't know if that's what we're gonna aim for. Also, even looking back at this, like, yeah, we had a reversal at this point, but I guess maybe we could look at this this as an SMT here, possibly in the 5 minute. But yeah, I don't know. Huh. Another 3 minute here. We might not reverse yet, but I think I want to see us reverse soon enough. And I'm probably gonna take a if I see a reversal within the time frame, I think I'm gonna be looking forward to taking a reversal trade instead of a long trade or anything. We could very well be coming up, taking out Asia high right now and today as well. It's very possible, but this 1 hour here as well. Very small, but it's still there. Huh. Is Asia high gonna get hit? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? We hit Asia high, but my question now is, do we want to go up to all-time highs? Do we? Do we? Do we? Do we? Oh my ear. Oh. Okay, so we took out we just took out Asia high and we took out these liquidity pools here in MES. I think I probably want to see us start to retrace back down. So there's a 3 minute here. Potential inverse MES would be right here, assuming it forms. I would assume you want to tick up here, but I guess not Asia high here. In which case, I mean, we still took out these two lows, these two highs up here. So I could take this one out. I mean, we still hold this one is fine, but we could aim for all-time highs, but I don't know why we would want to go all the way up there, honestly. Ah, would this be possible? Would equilibrium make sense? Assuming we wanted to revert. I'm thinking we want to push up maybe a little higher one more time to take out Asia highs and MES as well, and then from there push probably back down. Is what I'm thinking we want to do. Possibly. Ah, This is moving type slow. I'm not even gonna lie. But like I said, I think we want to probably like tap into this 5 minute right here. Push off of that. Tap just a little higher on MES. Tap Asia highs, and then from there retrace back down. We did create what it seems to be a new uh 1 hour possible 1 hour gap, but I don't know. These are all time highs here in MNQ. But honestly, I don't know why we would want. I mean, I guess we want to go up there. It seems. I mean, it's not far from it, so what we're probably gonna do is probably going to hit eight all time highs in MNQ, and then hit Asia highs in MES, and then from there, hopefully, we can then see a retracement back down to about equilibrium. I would say. I think a probably good entry maybe I could have done would have been here after seeing the break above here. This wouldn't have been bad, I guess. Here, push back into this 5 minute stop loss right here, and then push to all time highs on MNQ. I just didn't know I really wanted to do that, to be honest. But we just tapped, I think, into all time. I mean, into Asia high in MES, and I think we want to tap into all time highs in MNQ. Good. Okay, we hit all-time highs in MNQ and we hit Asia high in MES. Hopefully, we can now see a retracement. FVG right here. I want to say we're trying to come back down now, hopefully. Um, since we took out all-time highs in MNQ and MES tap into Asia high, I would like to see us start to push back down. First couple signs, actually no, not even yet. But maybe if we break below this low right here, start to see possibilities coming in. There is an FEG at this level, very small, but it's an FEG nonetheless in the 1 minute. We are pushing back down. I think I want to see us close below here. Possibly retrace back into this. I feel like we're done. I feel like we're done. Um I feel like we're done. Um I think we're done shooting up. I think I want to see us shoot back down now. Or honestly, better entry would probably be something like this. Maybe yeah, close below this low right here. Tap into this FEG here and then push towards this FEG here and have that be a possible entry point, but I don't know. Hmm. There's no way we're pushing higher in MQ. Like I really highly doubt it. Like I'm pretty sure we're done sweeping. Like we have no reason to go higher, and we tapped into all time, yeah, all time highs here, and then um we tap into Asia highs and MES, and that was a pretty long run too. So I really doubt we want to go higher. Honestly, the large 15-minute gap sitting right here. I think we want to come back down to. At the same time, there is well, this large move here. Equilibrium sits around this level. Possibly we want to come back once again, come back down to. There's also a 3 minutes FEG sitting right here. But also see us tap into. uh, uh, um, you know what? I think I think I'm gonna take a small entry here. I'm gonna just keep it at like two something. Um, yeah, I'm gonna do it just so it ends up being like 50 flat, assuming that I take a loss around. Um, um, yeah. I'm gonna take an entry at this 1 minute. It might not come all the way up here to this 1 minute. It might just tap into this 3 minute right here, but um, hopefully this want to come up all the way up to this 1 minute up here. Tap into the 1 minute. We could take an entry there for the better RR, and then push towards the 15-minute gap we left behind from the move up. Once again, we might not go all the way, but let's see how that goes. Okay, so we took an entry at this 1 minute gap right here. So there's a 3 minute FEG here. We swept all-time highs. MES took out Asia highs as well. I want to see us respect this 3 minute gap alongside this 1 minute gap, and then hopefully see us push back down towards this 15-minute gap down here, which I believe is in confluence with this low right here for one, and maybe about equilibrium of this larger move, but we'll see how that goes. So I believe this 1 minute technically got disrespected, but the well, this 2 minute got disrespected too. But I mean, it might actually be acting as an inverse as well, so that's another thing to look out for. Hopefully not, but I mean, hey. It's possible we might want to come back up here one more time, take out this high and then push down, but um, we just see how it plays out. I just felt like the sweep was done, so um, I just went for it, but maybe not. We're probably gonna have one more push up and then push back down. That's likely what's gonna happen. We're gonna push up, take out this previous high, and then from there reverse back down and push down. Yeah, there it is. Pushed up, peaked in. So that was a that's 49,955. So we're about 55. I mean, about $50 below 50K. Highs there. We took out that high here. Hmm. I wonder if we're gonna push pushing higher. That'd be weird, but I mean, it's possible, I guess. And then, I mean, the market just moves, I guess. Ah, wow. Honestly, I'm probably not gonna take any more trades today. Um, I'm like minus 55 from my original 50K. Not too bad. I don't feel too bad about it. I definitely thought we were gonna reverse. My confluence for that was it was MES that I traded. I don't know, I traded MEQ. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what was it? 3 minutes? What was it? What was it? What was it? Honestly, I don't think I had enough confidence. I mean, I was looking at the 1 minute. We were expecting bullish order flow. We had already tapped into this level, and so I was hoping to be pushed back down. But I should honestly waited for it to see to come down and take out and go below this low. Honestly, I think I should have waited maybe for at least a confirmation somehow, and then at least let this one close, and then see if it respected. If it had respected, I would have taken a trade in, but it didn't even hold. So, for example, this one right here, had this actually gotten respected, I probably would have taken a trade maybe at this level to push back down. But it didn't even hold anyway, so it makes no difference. So next time, should wait a little bit longer, probably. I'm trying to think to myself, I wonder if this thing is going to go higher. Does it really want to go to all-time highs as well? Because if it does, that'd be crazy. But I mean, I just wasn't expecting that. Honestly, part of my confidence for this maybe should have been like, hey, we close above this high, and we took out lows here, we didn't here, and then probably could have taken an entry somewhere at this level, aim for all-time highs, and put a stop loss around probably like right here. 1.25, but still would have been probably like a better trade overall. But I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm calling it for today, I think. So yeah, we ended in a loss about 300 something. What was it? Yeah, now it's minus 266. That was kind of more than I think there was some slippage there, but it is what it is. Yeah, minus 266 for today. Low key bad call. Should have waited for more confirmation. Honestly, I don't even know there was decent confirmation. Like all I know is that we came down, we swept up these slows, and then pushed higher. So honestly, I should have waited for confirmation. So next time, be a little more patient. But it is what it is. But yeah, that's it for today. And so hopefully tomorrow we could get a better setups overall with what was it? Was it CPI coming in? No, PMI. With PMI coming in. Um, but yeah, I think that's that for today. We'll see. Maybe I'll keep track of the things, see if I could get a better maybe I see a trade down the line today. But yeah, that's it. Deuces.